Welcome to a new video. Today we'll be learning about Monzo Bank. It's one of the most popular digital banks in Britain. We'll explain everything about it. Who are they? What do they offer? How to open an account? Pros and cons. Monzo Bank is a British digital bank that operates entirely through a mobile app with no physical branches. It was established in 2015 and has since grown to become a formidable competitor in the digital market. It offers comprehensive banking services, including a personal current account, a professional business account, MasterCard debit cards, expense management, spending tracking, instant payment notifications, savings pots, automatic roundup savings, faster payments within the UK, and overdraft services. The Monzo app is known for its instant notifications for every payment, expense splitting, intelligent categorization, money-saving features tailored for various goals, and automatic savings designed to keep your money in motion effortlessly. Monzo offers a free account and paid plans with additional features. The free plan includes a free personal account, money protection up to a certain limit, the ability to withdraw, pay, and manage basic expenses. The extra plan provides advanced money management tools, linking accounts from other banks within the app, along with virtual cards and enhanced categorization features. The Perks plan offers everything included in the extra plan, along with higher interest rates on savings accounts and additional perks such as partnership tickets and exclusive goods. Moreover, the Max plan offers everything that's in Perks, in addition to worldwide travel insurance, phone insurance, and breakdown cover. Monzo provides free withdrawals throughout the UK and the European Union. If Monzo is your primary account and you're outside of Britain, you can withdraw up to €200 per month without any fees. Following that, a 3% fee will be applied. To open an account, you must be a UK resident and at least 16 years old. You'll also need a smartphone, an official ID like a passport or driving license, and to complete a video verification process. Monzo has several account types: the personal account, the joint account, and the business account, which is suitable for freelancers and small businesses. It's a licensed and regulated bank in Britain, and your money is protected up to a certain limit by the FSCS protection scheme. Among Monzo Bank's key strengths are its user-friendly and swift app interface, which provides you with instant notifications and intelligent financial oversight. Additionally, withdrawals and payments are frequently conducted without any fees, and the app offers 24/7 technical assistance. However, a key weakness is that it is exclusively offered to UK residents. Also, free withdrawal limits vary depending on whether Monzo is your primary account or not, and 3% fees may apply after you exceed those limits. To open an account, download the Monzo app and tap on I'm new here. So what you'll want to do is carefully input your email address into the designated field, ensuring it's correct. Once that's done, proceed by tapping the Join button to continue with the process, and you'll be on your way. Then, just tap Open Email. A registration email will be promptly dispatched to your inbox, guiding you through the sign-up process. Choose Country, then Confirm. You'll see this message saying the system needs permission. Tap Allow. Then, select the account type you wish to open, either a personal account or a joint account if you intend to share access with another person, enabling them to also manage, deposit funds into, and withdraw from the account. There's also a third option to open an account for someone under 16 or to open a business account. Choose the personal account. Now you need to provide the name on your official photo ID, whether it's an ID card or a passport. Enter the information exactly as it appears on the document, first and last name and date of birth. You also need to enter your address and postcode. It will display your information. Tap Correct to confirm the details. Now, input your phone number. The final step involves uploading and capturing images of both sides of your official document. Ultimately, Monzo Bank is great for those who want a fast, easy mobile bank with excellent money management tools. If you're a UK resident looking for a digital alternative to a traditional bank, Monzo is an excellent option. And don't forget to check the official links in the video description to open an account now.